I'm Anil Kumar sharing with you extended solution of a question from book Nelson, question 21, page 468, as asked by my student Ryan. Now Ryan, in the previous video you saw how we utilized finding inverse by reversing the operations. Now in this case we will do the technique which should be applied for most of the exponential functions to find logarithmic inverse way of doing it, right? So basically I've changed the question a bit. I write determine inverse of each of the following in logarithmic form, right? So let's see how to do that part. So we have y equals to 3 times 2 to the power of x. We'll follow the normal procedure, swap x and y. So we can write this as x equals to 3 times 2 to the power of y. Now we need to solve for y now. So we can divide by 3. So we get x over 3 equals to 2 to the power of y. Now how to get y? That is a big question. So we can take log to the base 2 on both the sides. So when we say log to the base 2 of x over 3, and here we get log to the base 2 of 2 to the power of y. Do you see that? As you know, log to the base, that's a property, log a to the base a of x is equals to x actually, right? You know, log a of a is 1, right? So this is the property which is very helpful in finding inverse, and that gives us y here, and we get log to the base 2 of x over 3, right? And therefore we can now write down our answer that f inverse of x is equals to log base is 2 of x divided by 3. X divided by 3. Do you see that? So that is how you can find inverse of this. So you can pause the video, do this one yourself, and then look into my solution. Well, here is the solution. First step, just swap. So we get x equals to 0.5 to the power of y plus 2. Now we should take log, and base should be 0.5. So log to the base of 0.5 of x equals to log to the base of 0.5 of 0.5 to the power of y plus 2, correct? So the right side now is just y plus 2, and the left side is log to the base of 0.5x. From here we can find y is equals to, we'll bring 2 this side, so we have log to the base 0.5 of x minus 2, or f inverse of x is equals to log to the base half or 0.5, whatever, minus 2. Do you get this idea? So that is how you should be actually finding inverse for an exponential function. Remember why we are doing logarithms? Simply because we need to find solution for exponential function, and which we can do by finding its inverse using logarithms. So that's the real way of finding your inverse, and I think and I appreciate you follow this method, and there are a few links which I've attached to this solution. Follow those links to get some practice on these questions. I hope that should help you and many others. Thank you and all the best.